What's going on, guys? My name's Car, and today I have a really special video for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna be doing a $10,000 Golyard haul for you guys. I have a few bags, I have a few accessories, and they all come out to about $10,000. All right, and if you guys enjoy this kind of content or these items, make sure to let me know down in the comments, and also be looking out for my next few videos because I'm going to be doing specific reviews on each and every item that I show you guys in this video today. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to be starting out with a couple of the smaller items. First off being whatever's in this box right here. See, brown Goyard box. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a specific review on each and every item. But just showing you guys, I have the Golyard card holder right here. Really sought after. I see a lot of auctions online. I see a lot of these moving really fast online. And a lot of them are in really used condition because Golyard's been making these for a while, honestly. You guys can see this one's in really good shape. It has two little folders on each side, and overall very good condition, very good quality, and very flashy and good looking in my opinion. All right, and in here I have the little receipt as well as the little Goyard dust bag. But yeah, that's the first item, Goyard card holder. Setting that to the side, I have the, let's see what's in this box. This is a green Goyard box, and inside is the, it looks like a passport holder, navy Goyard passport holder. This is in very good condition as well. It's obviously used, as you guys can kind of see by the sides, but nonetheless, very cool item. I'll open it up for you guys. You guys can see the passport holder right there, as well as the folders. And you could obviously turn this into a wallet and put your ID right here, but I'm pretty sure it's meant to be a passport holder, and it's not too big. One of the next items is going to be a wallet, but compared to the wallet, this is smaller and thinner. But obviously a really cool item. It's a navy colorway. And just to tell you guys, the last few items were about $7.50 each, something like that, probably a bit more. But yeah, you guys can let me know at the end of this video what you guys think your favorite item that I cover in this video is. And then it also has the dust bag right here, and boom, setting that to the side. This is probably my favorite little accessory. This is obviously the biggest Goyard box that I have for this video, because for the bigger items, Goyard doesn't always give a box, but they usually give a dust bag, and then, or they always do. And then you guys can see the green Goyard Bifold wallet, very good condition. It's pretty much brand new. It looks like on the exterior there's a tiny bit of wear right here, if you guys can kind of see in the light. It looks like someone kind of put some cards in here and took them out, but it doesn't look like there's really any wear on the exterior of the wallet. And obviously you have 8 card holders total. You have the little inside pockets right here and right here. Then obviously you have room for your cash and wherever else. You have 2 little pockets right here. So overall, really cool wallet. Let me show you guys a size comparison because I'm sure a lot more of you guys have a Louis Vuitton wallet. So here's just a regular Louis Vuitton wallet bifold, and then here's the Goyard one. Goyard is just a tiny bit smaller and tiny bit thinner. But yeah, really cool wallet. They both feel about similar quality. And which one do I think is better looking? I would choose this one because it's kind of more, if you know, you know. Goyard isn't as well known as Louis Vuitton, but for those people that are into designer, you're going to know what Goyard is. So let me know what you guys think of this wallet and if it's worth keeping or selling. And like I said at the beginning, if you guys are interested in any of these products, make sure to let me know on Instagram at connor.langley. Because pretty much everything that I review in my videos is for sale. But setting that to the side, just so you guys know, I have the little Golyard tag right here, as well as the little dust bag, where it's at least a cloth. I don't know if it closes up. And it also has the Golyard ribbons and the receipt in the back. So none of this stuff is foo-foo. And I believe I actually have the authentication card on a couple of the other items. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this, and look out for a specific review on it. Putting that to the side, I will show you guys next what do I want to go with next? Let's go with this one. See, as you guys can see, the big Golyard dust bag right here. Very good condition. Yeah, you guys see the little Golyard tag right here. Boom. And then opening it right up, I believe this is called the Goyard Belvedere messenger bag. And so this is a really, really sought after Golyard item, maybe behind the duffel bags that they released. But this is just a really sick bag. And obviously it's just gonna go around your shoulder like such. You don't go on the front or the back. It's pretty sizey, but nonetheless, a really, really cool bag. And I'm really excited to bring you guys a specific review on this item. But yeah, really cool, Goyard red. It's a little bit flashy and it's not as subtle as maybe the black colorway, but obviously this part's just going to come up right here, open it up, and I keep the bubble wrap in it because it kind of preserves the interior, but just so you guys can kind of see it. It has two little pockets in the front right here, then it has the middle part, and then it also has a folder in the back. So maybe you put your wallet and cash in the front, you put maybe some clothing in the middle, in the back maybe you put like an iPad. Seems like you could fit one of the smaller, newer iPads in there. And then let me just put this back in really quickly. And then like I showed you guys, it's just gonna close up. This little metal Goyard part is gonna go right in the hole. And then you can put this through. And then boom. Very good looking bag, very cool. A little bit of wear on the front. Because this part's been rubbing up, and a tiny bit on the back as well, but still looks really cool. You can still obviously see the Golyardian canvas all over very clearly. What do I want to do next? Show you guys this. This is a bit more vintage. This is actually the Ambassadi Briefcase. You guys can see Golyard does custom designs at the store. You can see the white, yellow, and red colors. Those are the Golyard colorway. And then this is considered black with the brown edges. This is the black Golyardian pattern. Give you guys a little bit of close-up. Little folder right here. Obviously, it's just going to unbutton right here. And then on the back, it's just going to be the Golyardian canvas all over. A little bit of wear towards the bottom, the corners. Obviously, it's gotten its wear, but it's not like it needs a repair or anything just yet. There's no holes that are even close to coming. And one of the things that I really like about this is it's very... like, you can definitely use it without damaging it. You guys can see that they have these little metal parts right here. So when you're setting down this bag, it goes right on them and you don't really have to worry about scratching the bottom. The corners are just a little bit of drag, natural wear. And then opening it right up, it's just gonna unzip. And boom. If you unzip it all the way, you can open it up like this. You guys can see no real folders on this side. Yeah, no folders on that side. You have a folder right here. You have a little zipped up folder right here. Goyard Paris, made in France. And yeah, a little bit of dirty, definitely got into wear, but you gotta love your items, especially like this. So this is one that I really enjoy wearing and using. Not just as a suitcase, but when I'm going to work, I can obviously keep my computer in here, as well as my my little notebook that I use to, I don't really know what you would call this, but my little folder. This is what I bring to work, so I usually put my computer in there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. It's a little bit more vintage if I'm not mistaken, but nonetheless really cool. Still has a lot of life left in it. Setting this to the side really quickly, let me show you guys the big boy. This is the Crocier. I believe it's a 55 bag. Really good condition, barely used whatsoever. And it's the bandolier because it has this longer strap, which is sold separately in the stores. So I ended up paying extra for it. But yeah, you guys can just see right here that it has barely been used at all. The handles are in very good shape, as well as the metal. There's not too many dings on them. And opening them right up, first I'm going to show you guys right here the details. GG, Golyard. Opening it right up. I believe I have the authentication card for this. So here's a receipt. Let me show you guys the authentication card. Yeah, Entropy, or maybe I'm not pronouncing it right, but they're a site that authenticates stuff online. And so this retailed at $2,500, goes for a bit more now, maybe a little bit less, but in this good of shape, it will probably end up going for more. Here's the certificate of authentication. You guys, a quick look at it. And yeah, there's another copy as well right here. But yeah, authentic bag. Inside, let me show you guys. I keep the bubble wrap in it. And it's pretty open up. There's not too many spaces to put stuff. But right here, it does unzip. And you guys can obviously unzip it and put your small little goodies in there. And also right here, it does come open. So maybe your cash, something that you want a little bit more protected, you can put in here. And then maybe all your clothing for like a getaway. But overall, really cool, good looking bag. And I would honestly take this over the Louis Vuitton bag. So adding these all up, they come out to about $10,000. I'd say that this one's about $3,000. The Belvedere, $2,000, a little bit more. Briefcase, easy $2,000, a little bit more. The Victoria green wallet, I see those go for $1,000, and the other one's $1,000-ish too. So really nice haul. You guys can be the judge of which one is your favorite item. And like I said, please, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to stay active on my channel because I'm going to be putting up specific reviews on each item. So if you guys are interested, you guys will be able to see them in a little bit more detail. But yeah, these items are not too easy to get in hand. So if you guys feel like supporting me, it would really help out my channel if you guys could just leave a like and at least subscribe. Yeah, and if I could ever do anything for you guys, like get you guys an item, I get really good prices on the stuff I buy, just DM me on Instagram at Connor.Langley. Happy to help you guys out because you guys help me out by subscribing. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Obviously, any questions, leave it down in the comments or DM me. But I will see you guys in the next video.